Cast all your cares unto the Lord, for he cares for you. That is our discussion for today. So, let's start. Okay, cast all your cares unto the Lord. Why? Because he's the one that can take care of it. Many times we do what we can do, but it's still not enough. Therefore, surrender your concerns. Concerns is not there to advance your life, but in actual fact, to reduce the quality of your life. And if you want to have the concept of life and life in abundance, then concerns doesn't fit into that picture. Therefore, we need to give it to the Lord and surrender those concerns. How do we surrender our concerns? Well, number one, by praying. You pray and you say, and you give it over to the Lord. Number two is when it comes back constantly to harass you, what do? You keep on praying up to you get to a point where you meditate on how the Lord is taking care of your concerns. And then you trust the Lord. That is what you do. Many times in life, you're going to go through challenges. Definitely, challenges are there to make us strong. But the concerns of our future, of our safety, of our health, we give it to the Lord. Then we listen for instructions. Because many times there are solutions to the concerns. It doesn't mean we do not partake in the solution. It just means we do not partake in the being concerned part, being in the stressed factor. That is not something that we want. So today, I encourage you not to focus on your concerns. Count how many concerns you have before you pray, and we're going to surrender it to the Lord. So let's start. Father, today I come and I surrender. I surrender my concerns for safety, for the people that I love, the people that I care for, my friends and family, Lord. I surrender those concerns to you, Lord. I surrender my future and my children's future into your hands. All of the concerns I leave with you, Lord. The properties that I have, the safety of the tenants, the safety of the property, Lord, I surrender those concerns into your hands. I surrender the things that I cannot change today, the concerns of my work and the quality of the work, Lord. I surrender it into your hands. Father, I trust you. I know you've got the ability, the wisdom, the connections, everything that is needed, Lord. But now I come and I pray and I ask, Lord, to show to me and reveal to me what is my part, what should I do, what can I improve, what can I surrender. I want to hear your voice, Lord, because it's your voice that I need. I need your input, Father. My trust is in you, Lord. And I thank you now that we can listen to your voice. Help me to be obedient to the instructions that you've shown to me, that you are giving to me, so that life and life in abundance can be my portion. I know it's the enemy that comes to steal and kill and destroy, and I do not want any of that in my life. I don't want to give the enemy footholds in my life, Lord. Show to me where there's doors that have been opened so that I can close them. Show where I am not being obedient, Lord, so that I can focus on rectifying it. And I thank you, Lord, for your tremendous love and your mercy. And I thank you for that in the name of Yeshua. Be blessed.